Okay, Briones Regional Park. This is a big area, and this is where I came in right here. So I think I'm going to head up this trail. There's a trail that goes up there. This trail looks like it's going to be in the trees because I can see from here. No maps. That's too bad. Los Trumpus always has a lot of maps. Okay. I don't know. This is weird. I brought my other phone so I can take pictures. And it's just hard for me to see what I'm doing on the screen here that's on my chest. Oh God, the air is so cool today. It has cooled off. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm happy now. I'm happy. Maybe we'll go up this trail, because that's going to go out into the sun. Let's go up here. It says hikers only. Yeah, when I normally go hiking by myself, I don't talk to myself. So I'm trying to talk for whoever might watch this. Oh yeah, it's so nice out. Oh my gosh. Nope, I've never hiked here before. And these shoes that I'm wearing kind of have a slippy grip. Okay. So, we talk about something interesting. I ended up writing about this in my daily journal. What happened to me yesterday? I had a powerful experience that lasted for a few hours from listening to some music on YouTube. Some very particular music. It was music by King Crimson. And I've never had a powerful experience like this with that particular band's music before, where they triggered my emotions. Yeah, look at this poor tree. And made me cry. Usually the only rock song that can get me to cry, and it does it consistently, is Zen Archer by Todd Rundgren. But yesterday, songs from King Crimson's very first album, In the Court of the Crimson King, were triggering me. And I just had these ferocious breakdown crying sessions. But for no apparent mental reason. Nothing I could figure out on my own that was a reason for me to be crying, other than, beautiful music. And actually one thought I had was the actual way that I heard these songs was they were videos of young people, like in their 20s, who had never even heard of King Crimson before and had been recommended that they listen to them to see what the music would make them feel. And so I watched 2 or 3 different videos of this kind of scenario of young people listening to these songs for the first time. I've heard these songs hundreds of times, if not even into the thousands. Well, I'll go liberal and say hundreds of times. And oh my God, it's starting to come back up now. The feelings are coming back up now. I don't normally take portrait. I usually like the, oh, that's nice. This one girl, she was listening to the song Epitaph, and she couldn't have been more than 25. And even in her title, she said, "This song made me feel emotions." And as soon as the opening chimes of this song come on, I'm like, oh my God. Emotions were just running loose for me. And I mean, like immediately, 5 seconds in, I am crying like a baby. Absolute baby cry. Old man baby cry. I don't know. Who else has this happen? Who else has this experience? I'd like to meet you and shake your hand. My goodness, oh my goodness, look at this. And, ooh, this is fun. Let's see, maybe we'll go up this way. I have to be careful of touching poison oak. I haven't caught poison oak in ages. I'm not really afraid of catching it now, but now is a time of year when it's really prevalent. And yeah, so all the way through the song, and it just gets harder and crying worse and stronger. And, you know, you're kind of in the company of the person that made the video, sharing the experience with them, sort of, but you're still alone. And if I had heard the song without that precept that, you know, this other person was listening to it for the first time, I don't think it would have triggered me. Not the same. Not if I was just driving down the road and on my own, you know, playlist, Epitaph came on the air. It wouldn't have done it. But I was in the safety of, you know, the space I was in. I was alone, taking care of pets. Maybe the pets helped. And no, I don't think so. I don't think the pets were influential on me getting to cry, feeling safe to cry. I don't think so. But then it happened. Okay, so you finish the one video, and then they recommend another video for you, and similar, because I liked it. I hit the like button. Talking too much, I'm losing my breath. So another video comes up by different young people, and they're listening to I don't know, the main track, the opening track off of that album. And bam, same thing. And these guys aren't crying, they're just like rocking out. They're just like going, oh yeah, this is rock and roll. This is like, I never heard anything like this. Sometimes there are musicians that do these kind of videos, but not always. Yeah, so, oh gosh, look at this. Amazing. These are buckeye trees, these ones with the yellow leaves. Really nice trail here, I like this. Okay, stay on point. What are you talking about? Crying, listening to King Crimson. So, a couple hours later, I looked at my calendar for some reason. I either had to add something to my calendar. Yeah, I think that was what it was. and I noticed what today's date was yesterday. Today's date yesterday was September 8th. And I said, oh my goodness, September 8th, that's the day my dad died. And normally I'm way in the loop about that coming up. I mean, for years and years, it's always been a very, special day to me to ponder and to contemplate life and think about, Dad and life without Dad, and wonder, where he's at and what he's doing. And I've communicated with him in spirit. I've channeled him a couple of times. Not recently at all. Boy, look at this. And what I have been thinking about recently are his father and his grandfather, because both of their birthdays came up in the past 2 or 3 weeks. And I had an intention of wanting to try and channel them. I was curious about their life experiences because they both died very young. My dad's grandfather died at 33, and my dad's father died at 47, and my dad died at 36 years of age. And so there was a trend there. And then my brother and I come along, and look at us, we're in our 60s now. We broke the pattern. And so I've been curious. I wanted to, find out from them what I could find out. I wanted to try and read their Akashic records to see what they died from, to see if I could get any information about their lifestyles or their relationships, or were they happy, or what, or whatever could I find out. And I just couldn't get into the proper mood or space to do that, and didn't do the channeling. Okay, so anyway, then last night, I have this realization. Today is my dad's death anniversary. Hey Dad, how you doing? By the way, did you send me these experiences with these songs today to help untap some hidden, buried trauma, grief, emotion that's still buried deep in my body and my soul to release today? Was that you? Did you send me that? Were you wrapped up in that gift? And I kind of pretty much believe, yeah, he was. That came from him. And all that crying was about him. And it was a profound experience. It was a profound experience. I had one stupid, selfish idea out of it all about the irony of, oh man, here's an old man who's been listening to these songs since they came out in the 70s, and he's watching young kids on YouTube listening to them the first time, and his reaction to seeing these kids listen to these songs is he starts crying. And I thought, oh, make a video, man. Make a video of yourself watching these young kids. I'm going to shoot a panorama here. Let's see how this goes. Make a video of yourself crying watching these kids in the background and put it up on your channel. Who does that? I've never seen anybody else do that. Am I brave enough to do that? Or foolhardy enough to do that? I could be. I very well could be. Will I do it? I don't know, because I don't know how. I mean, I can't plan on that. Can't plan on that. Oh, look at this old tree over here. Wow. I'm blessed. There's nobody in here. There's a bunch of cars in the parking lot. There's just nobody in here. It gives me the privacy with my video recording and not having to worry about embarrassing somebody else if they come up on me. Yeah, I don't know. But, a month or two ago, when I was first thinking about making videos on YouTube, that was part of my inspiration, was to big oak tree. Look at this baby. This lady, this old man of a tree here, was to make videos that were authentic, that were not just somebody talking, but having an experience, talking about having spiritual experiences. Yeah, so that's kind of what this talk is about. So I'm definitely going to upload this video, and I'll make it public, but none of the public have found me yet. It's only been a couple of people that know me that have seen these videos. Wow, look at this. So, this is cool. So, kids made a little fort here. Really good work. Look at that. Nice. Probably Boy Scouts. Okay. Oh. Crazy, amazing big tree. I don't know. Can you look up here and see this? Wow. Okay, let's get another. Oops. Let's get another panorama. If I had my cameras reversed and I was using the camera that's on my chest to do my shooting, I would take some Google camera photospheres of this tree. I don't think I've got Google camera installed on this phone, but I will check. Some kid left their hat here. Let's see, where can I hang that up? Ruth. Her name's Ruth. Wow, that's an unusual name for a little girl in these days and ages. I bet you kids come here and they love to play underneath this tree. Let's see. Okay, I was going to do a panorama this way. Yeah, this is a total tree fort. Okay, that's a little bit low. Let's go a little bit higher. That's better. Okay, let's see. Is Google camera on this phone? Even if it could be. Let's see. Even if it is. It is. But it might not be stable. I don't think it's stable. Oh, here we go. Wait. Okay, let's see. 360. Good. Yeah, but it's not. The viewfinder's not working. Darn. That's all okay. No, see, I should be able to see the picture now. I should be able to see through the viewfinder, and it's not showing. Okay. Too bad. But maybe I'll finish this video really soon because it's already 20 minutes long. Yeah, that's a long video. Okay, I'm just going to walk over to the edge here, and I will finish this up, and then use this camera to go back here and shoot some photospheres. Okay, anything else to say about this? Yeah, because my original idea, inspiration for making these kinds of videos, especially out walking like this, hiking, because I get into elevated modes of spirit when I'm out in nature like this, and I have ideas and realizations, and there's somebody coming, so let's just let them walk past. I mean, it's probably okay, but I. Oh, look at these vines! Wow. And this is so wicked. There they go. I mean, it's probably fine. I probably shouldn't have freaked out, and I should get used to people coming into the camera view, because my alternative to coming here for a hike today to test this camera mount out was to take Bart into San Francisco and go to North Beach. And if I were to wear this walking through North Beach, there would be nothing but people. And I probably wouldn't talk as much as I did today doing this one. So I think this was an important pre-test video to make first. Okay, I said I was going to turn back. Yeah, so getting into these elevated modes of spirit where I have epiphanies and spiritual realizations and understandings while I'm hiking that can also, they've turned into healing episodes. By healing, I mean praying for other people. Yeah, okay, that kind of wraps it up. Okay, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Let me turn this off. Bye.